Martes. Sige, yo-yo. Lunes Martes ka. Hello! Basta estudyante ba? Okay. Ano gamay mo na yung pagkaon?
Beto, meron ba na? Five. Oh, tama ka. Okay, tama. Okay, next. Group yourself into six. Ganito na lang na. Wala na mo. Okay, next. Group yourself into three. Grabe mo mga anak, eh, tama ba na? Oh, asa naman mo? Sino naman mo? Oh, dali. Alam ka ito? Ay, naman mo ako wala ka. Okay, next. Group yourself into five. Wala ka sugar huli. Okay, next. Group yourself into four. Okay, next. Group yourself into three. Group yourself into five. Five. Wala naman ba yan? Group yourself into four. Again. Group yourself into two. Okay. Group yourself into three. Okay, group yourself into one. Group yourself into two. Okay. Wala na tayong winner. Susumay na sa luna. Yes, sunod. Congratulations. Okay, next game.